Sanskaram University, where cutting-edge technology meets the promise of world-class education. Sanskaram University, education with values.
Can you even imagine a Hera Fairy film without Babu Bhaiya? The thick round glasses, the innocent confusion, the iconic voice saying, "Ye Babu Rao ka style hai." A character who became a meme, a moment, an emotion. But what if I told you that Babu Bhaiya has exited Hera Fairy 3 for a jaw-dropping price tag of rupees 25 crores? Yes, 25 crores. And now Akshay Kumar is not just angry, he is legally furious. Today, I take you into the chaos behind Bollywood's most iconic comedy franchise. So here's what has happened so far. The legendary actor Paresh Rawal reportedly demanded rupees 25 crore to reprise his legendary role as Babu Rao Apte in Hera Fairy 3. Sources from the Bollywood corridor say that's more than triple his usual fee. Why? Because he believed, and perhaps rightly so, that he was the emotional core of the film. He believed audiences would flock to theatres because of Babu Bhaiya. Not just for Akshay Kumar, not just for Sunil Shetty, but for him. But Akshay Kumar was not buying that argument. And when Paresh Rawal refused to back down, Akshay Kumar struck back. That too with a legal notice. As per media reports, Akshay's production house, Cape of Good Films, has now served Paresh Rawal a legal notice, accusing him of unprofessional conduct and walking out of the film midway despite signing a contract and beginning the shoot. That's right. The cameras were rolling, the team was on set, and suddenly Paresh Rawal said he was out. Akshay Kumar, who also legally acquired the rights to Hera Fairy 3, was left with a halted production, millions in loss, and a film without its heart. And now, the dispute has gone from dialogue delivery on set to legal delivery. Let's take a step back. Let's talk about why this is more than just another celebrity squabble. Let's talk about Babu Rao Ganpat Rao Apte. Because Babu Bhaiya is not just a character. He is an emotion. He is the reason fans rewatch Hera Fairy 50 times. He is the meme you see on your timeline every other day. He is Bollywood's most beloved comic relief, a character who somehow outshines even the lead actors in the film. His simplicity, his confusion, his comic timing on air, he's not the hero, but he's the heart of the film. That too when we talk about Hera Fairy. And to imagine Hera Fairy 3 without him is like imagining DDLJ without Raj or Sholay without Gabbar. It just doesn't make sense. It just doesn't work. And now, because of money, that very soul of the franchise might be gone. But wait, this story has even more layers. After news broke of the fallout, fans were quick to notice another twist in the tale. In an interview, Paresh Rawal casually said, "Akshay Kumar is my colleague, not my friend." He said that, yes. Colleague, not a friend. A shocking statement, especially from someone who has done so many films with Akshay Kumar. Fans were obviously heartbroken. But then, damage control began. In another interview, Paresh Rawal clarified. He said his words were taken out of context. He said he respects Akshay Kumar deeply. On social media, Paresh Rawal posted an official note. He said he had no creative differences with the director Priyadarshan, whom he called a man of great respect. He reiterated, and I quote, "There are no creative disagreements." So creative disagreements is off the table. So where does that leave us? Hera Fairy 3 was supposed to be the revival fans had waited decades for. The original trio, Akshay Kumar, Sunil Shetty and Paresh Rawal, had already begun filming under director Priyadarshan. Fans were thrilled. Nostalgia was in the air. But now, the shoot is on hold. Akshay Kumar is furious. The legal team is working overtime. And the biggest question of all time, can Hera Fairy 3 survive without Babu Bhaiya, without this iconic character in an industry where actors come and go and roles are replaceable? Some characters, they stay with you. Some characters become irreplaceable. Babu Rao is one of them. To lose him, that hurts more than any script can handle. This is not just about a movie. This is about trust, about legacy, about the bond between fans and a fictional character who became real. We do not know how this will end. But we do know this. Hera Fairy without Babu Bhaiya is not the Hera Fairy fans are waiting for.